So the question says, use the given information to determine which lines are parallel, if any. So the information they provided us with is that angle 3 and angle 7 are equal. Based on previous studies, we can tell that angle 3 and angle 7 are alternate interior angles. Now, what can we conclude from that statement? We can conclude from that statement that line A and line B are parallel. Moving on to the second one, which says that angle 9 right there and angle 11 right there are equal. So first, we have to identify these angles. And based on previous studies, we can tell that these angles are corresponding angles. And what can we conclude from that statement is that line A and line B are parallel. So angle 9 and angle 11 are corresponding angles, which means that line A and line B are parallel. So moving on to the third one, which says that angle 2 right here is equal to angle 16 right there. So first we have to identify these angles. These angles are alternate exterior angles. And what can we conclude from that statement? We conclude from that statement that line L and line M are parallel. So these angles are alternate exterior angles, and what can we conclude from that? We can conclude from that line L and line M are parallel. Now, moving on to the fourth one, which says that the sum total of angle 5 and angle 12, as we can see right here, is 180 degrees. First, we have to identify these angles. These angles are co-interior angles. And one of the properties of these angles is that the sum total of them is 180 degrees. Now, since they're co-interior angles, we can conclude from that statement that the line L and line M are parallel. So since these angles are co-interior angles, we can conclude that line L and line M, as we can see right here, are parallel.